What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley Cairo if you guys are new, and if you are a returning subscriber, I'm so glad you guys are back for another video. So I just got back from back to school shopping, and I was like, what better time than the present to show you guys what I got for you, because as always, this is my annual school supplies giveaway and it is pretty fire. We just went to Target. There's a shopping vlog up where I show you guys some extra things that I don't have here, plus some dorm room things and like decor pieces. So definitely check that out. So I would love it if you guys subscribed and followed along on my Instagram, because a lot of times I get new subscribers and viewers from this series. However, I want you guys to stick around. I have a lot of content that is going to be also more adult centered, like meal planning and family organization and DIYs and just things that can be really great healthy habits and productivity tools for you. I'm a certified holistic health coach and sports nutrition coach, but I think that home life and your inner well-being kind of goes hand in hand. So I have recipes and ebooks and all kinds of cool things to help you just live your best life, and I would love for you guys to be a part of our family. One of my sweetest friends, Lauren, she works for Blum Daily Planners, and we have been collaborating ever since the beginning, I think, of Blum. Really, it was like their first year we started working together, and they gifted you guys so many amazing goodies. I'm so excited for this series, but also some series in the near future that we're going to be doing with them, because they have so many amazing new products and they gave you guys such great stuff. Like, I'm low-key jealous, but like it's cool because we got it for you. So also, I'm in my Sunday best, if you can't tell. Just went shopping. I'm a hot mess. But you know what? I didn't want to wait until this week to film. I was so excited, so let's just get started. I personally picked out these things for you guys with organization in mind, and I'm going to be doing a separate video that is how to organize your school supplies and stay organized for school in general. And we're going to be labeling and categorizing and doing all that fun stuff. I'm also doing a DIY school supplies video. It's going to be super cool, and a DIY backpack video, which I can't wait. That one is going to be epic. If you like Gucci, you're going to love this. So Blum is really expanding their product line, and I thought it'd be fun to do not just planners this year, but do like a ton of different things. So this is one of their fashion binders in the watercolor floral print. I think it's so beautiful. I love all the pastels. You're definitely gonna see a theme with this collection. It's gonna be a lot of florals, a lot of pastels, and there's also some like just really pretty girly patterns. I don't know. I hope you guys like the color scheme we went with this year, but it is just a 3D ring binder, and I'm gonna be, like I said, showing you guys how I would organize this if I were a student. I touched on file folders in the shopping vlog. So this is a new pattern for Blum. It's the floral dot. I really like this pattern. I got a bunch of things in it this year. Like, look at that, it's so nice. But I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I use these in my own filing cabinet and how you guys can use them to separate your paperwork throughout the semester, so you're not lunking around tons of work all the time. That was a mistake that I made in school. I'm gonna save most of those tips for that other video, but I just got excited. Some of these items are also going to be like specific to the what's in my backpack, but I wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek because I was super excited. So this is also the new pattern in the floral dots. This is the notes, goals, and to-do list journal. And what I love about this is that when I was in high school, I actually had a Vera Bradley notebook along with my Vera Bradley planner. I didn't use the academic planner that my school gave me because I was extra like that. And actually Lauren was the same way. Like, that was how we got like hooked on planners. It was just like me and her like that were obsessed with planners. But anyway, the high school tangent, like how cute are we though? So cute, you know, like matching backpacks and everything. So I actually had like a bullet journal before it was a bullet journal, where I just had like all of my to-dos, like a running task list, and this is basically what that is. I'm gonna go into depth in the what's in my backpack video so you can get an inside look at this, because it's pretty darn cool. There's also some of these cute mini notebooks, which I think is a great addition to your school stuff, because sometimes you just need to write something down real quick. And these are super adorable, and there are 5 of them. And the nice thing about this video is it's going to be multiple winners. So I have supplies for days for you guys. It's very exciting. Not to get too ahead, because like I said, there's going to be plenty of videos showcasing the ins and outs of all of these planners, but this is the new 2019-2020 vision planner from Blum. This is the color blocking marble print, so it's rose gold, has some pretty pink and some marble. Like I said, going in depth about it, get excited, make sure you're subscribed because you're not gonna wanna miss out. I'm just really super stoked for this. This planner is actually going to be in the other giveaway, the What's in My Backpack planner, not the school supplies planner, but I at least wanted to just, you know, sneak peek it for you. And to go along with it, there are 2 Bloom sticker sets that you will be getting, the Female Empowerment Pack, and then this is the classic stickers for school. Let me show you. Super cute. And then this is the Floral Dots planning system. So it's basically a daily docket where you can put down your top 3 priorities, a to-do list, notes, your snacks, water, exercise, important things you're grateful for, and the date. I love these. I think it's such a great alternative to either a planner or at least having something for daily use where you can really brain dump. These are also 2 of their new pens, one in the marble and the other in the floral dot, and they're just so pretty. I love them. So if you guys are interested in checking out Bloom, they have so many fantastic products. I'm gonna be sharing a ton more throughout this series, but definitely check them out down below and follow them on Instagram. It's a women-owned company right here in Delaware. The girls who work there are super sweet, creative, and I think you guys would love to be a part of the Bloom girls because they're really awesome and they make fantastic products. Okay. What's next? We got things. If you guys watched my Target shopping vlog, you would have seen a lot of this, but definitely not all of it, and some extra goodies. But we're gonna run through what I got you guys because it is just so exciting. I'm also gonna show you a few things that I picked up. So I like to get new notebooks every year too for journaling, and so I'm gonna show you some of the ones that I picked up for myself as well, but we'll start off with the ones for you guys. Last year I shared my notebook system and it's so tried and true because I actually used it for my own sports cert this year and I loved it so much that I wanted to share it again with you guys this year. I picked you guys up one of these Mead 5-star 3 subject notebooks. They're super heavy duty. They are canvas bound on the spiral, so it's going to be protected because my spiral notebooks always became undone throughout the year if they were too thin and flimsy. So what I got, so what's really great about this is typically you have 3 to 5 core classes where you're going to be taking notes super heavily. So you could definitely get another one of these if you wanted to do that or change it up for the semester. That is something that I would do because there's like just enough paper room for you to be able to do that. But the inside, each folder is pocketed and you can move these so you can space them out differently. You don't have to have it the way that they have it set up. And then there's a pocket on the other side. And like I said, you get 3 and you could technically have these colors coordinate, you know, with if you wanted to like use those colors in your planner, like if you wanted to make red math and whenever you wrote in red in your planner, it was math, you know what I'm saying? And I got white because I got you guys a really fun sticker pack, and if you want to decorate it, have at it. And then to go inside of your Bloom binder, I absolutely love this. It has that like southern kind of vibe to it, southern preppy vibe. It's got the palm tree on there, just a 100-page notebook. And this is just another great alternative to having a larger notebook. And what I like about this is instead of putting loose leaf paper in the back, which I did get you guys, it is kind of nice to have a hole punched notebook in case you did want to just take this for your notes and you didn't want to take the whole binder. You have this as an option. Got you guys this really pretty pattern. I don't know if it's showing, but it's like reflective. How nice is this 5-star pink and gold with like a hexagon pattern? These are actually some of my favorite. I used to be real strict with only wanting spiral, and I kind of love the composition notebooks now. Like I said, I got you guys just some college ruled paper. You never know. We always used it for scratch paper. I never really took notes. I was definitely more of a notebook person, but scrap paper, homework, college ruled was the way to go. And then I also picked you guys up 2 coordinating folders. Super pretty. They're just double pockets and they're hole punched so you can put them in the binder as well. So everything is like super organized. And to be even more pretty and pastel, these are 5 dividers. I love that. They're so pretty. It's like ombre and pastel. And then the back is actually lined. So another tip, you could put all of your assignment due dates for the classes on there. Test dates, assignment dates, projects. And then I picked up myself one because I'm a 5-year-old. This has mermaids and anchors on it and princess crowns, and unicorns. I'm not a unicorn person, but I'll do this, and then like the waves, I like that. This is your little pink book of stickers, and there are 4 different pages, but there's 146 stickers in total. But you can decorate planner, you can decorate your notebooks. They're just super cute. Locker decorations. I was a little jealous that I wasn't in school because the palm themed section at Target, I'll put a little clip from that vlog in there. I was so jealous. I was like, they have lights and rugs for their lockers, like what? But I did pick you guys up some magnets, which I think are super cool. And there's 4 sheets of magnets. That's a lot. And there's like pineapples and monstera plants, and it's just like, it's so cute. Then you need a little pen pouch for all of your accessories, and I like that it has this little loop here, so you could also clip it into your binder if you wanted to, just so that you always had it with you. And it has 2 zippers, so you've got a nice front zip where you could put like your protractor, your compass, your maybe a calculator, or like tools. And then the big pocket, it's pink on the inside, nylon, so it washes really nicely. I didn't want to do a canvas one because they're harder to wash, but you can put all of your things in there. Got you guys some More Than Magic holographic pencils. The More Than Magic setup was really cute in Target. I could have gone crazy, and the prices were really good. Definitely check it out. Pink Post-it notes. You never know when you're gonna wanna make a note in your book or a reminder in your planner. They're just really handy. You always need to have markers. You never know when you wanna color or you're gonna have to use them for something. I just liked the bright colors. It's 10 bright colors. I love Crayola everything. I was a huge Crayola kid, and I want you to be one too. I also got myself a set of these because I love Papermate Flair pens, and this is a limited edition collection. The colors are so pretty. They're called Candy Pop, and they're candy-like. They're kind of pastel, kind of like if you took pastels and jewel tones and they had a baby, you get Candy Pop. Okay, I'm so glad that I kept my camera set up because I forgot a couple things. I knew something seemed weird that I totally forgot to show you. Picked up some of these Post-it flags. They are in a gold, silver, different patterns, so you can mark your textbooks, mark important pages in your notes that you want to remember. I think that these are really nice. Set of mechanical pencils. You can attach them using the DIY pen loop that I'm going to be showing you guys how to make. It's super easy to do. You're going to love it. How on theme are these highlighters? They're like pastel looking, and you can erase them, which is pretty cool. So they're by Pilot. They're called the Frixon Light. I might have to get myself some of these. These are pretty cool. You guys know I love also like the Zebra Midori midliners, I think is what they're called. This might be winning because those other ones don't have an eraser. And then I also got you a set of index cards, pastels, of course. That was my little interjection in my t-shirt. So those were all of the back to school supplies that I got you guys. I'm super stoked to be doing this giveaway. For the giveaway, all you have to be doing is subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications. You're gonna see a link down below to subscribe to my newsletter because I will be announcing the winners via newsletter. You also get exclusive content and giveaways in that newsletter. I promise it's not spammy. You get one newsletter every once in a while, but you also get access to freebies and exclusive content. So it's totally worth it. And you also have to be following along on my Instagram and Bloom Daily Planner's Instagram. You're gonna see a picture on my Instagram with all of these products, and I want you to go over there and tag 2 friends. So in the last giveaway, which you haven't entered, it's for the middle school survival kit. I asked you guys what goals or what one thing you wanted to accomplish this year. So for this giveaway, I want to know one thing that you can do this school year to be a better you to your friends, whether that is being a better listener or going out of your way to help someone study. Give me one thing where you could really like be more active in your school and give to others. I would love to know what like an act of kindness is that you're going to try to do this school year. So with that said, I hope you guys are enjoying the rest of your summer. Don't forget, I'm so excited to be sharing the rest of these videos with you guys. There's so much more to come, but as always, I hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you in the next video.